M iced out.
Mama told me I can make you see the brightness in her eyes. Said I don't need to fake it, got the flame on let it.
Hey guys, welcome. It's your boy Q. Welcome to a new video. And on today's video, I'm gonna be showing you, well, as you can see in the thumbnail or the title that I just had up there, I'm gonna show you how I glowed up. I mean, I was like, look at this nigga. I was one ugly ass nigga. Well, I moved from that and I moved to this. I mean, like, not trying to brag or anything, but yo, I totally look better than what I used to look like. Like, me did ugly, me did have look fun, me did just, yeah. If you're new to the channel, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Helps me out a lot. And enough of me talking, let's just go right into the video. Alright, so like, first picture, like, as a baby, I was cute. I mean, you're a baby, so you're kind of like cuter than how you would actually grow up, because like some people look cute when I'm a baby, and like when them start growing, just like, where the hell all of that they gone? But for me, that did completely different. I was still cute. I was still a good looking baby until I was still cute here though. I mean, this is a long, I think I was like 2 here, but still cute, still a baby. I mean, I was like 3 year, man, and like miserable, right? This is like the person when they take the picture from me, they like shake up the picture, made it piss, and like this had the first like grand market picture, and I was pissed the f off. Like look on my collar, brother, like my shirt not even fixed good. Like, whenever I take the picture, and if it gets so, but I move on that, and then we just turn to Jesus Christ, like. When I made the picture, like, look at this. What the frick is this? Like, look at me and stuff like that. I have no hairline. My hairline just look like me hair just like, me not even know, like, me just, how me even explain how me look, right? So like, me just look good, I mean, gracious. I have no hairline. My hair look like shit, right? That's it. I don't know where this hair come from my head, but like, my hair used to look like way worse back in the days than what it look right now. And like, I have some big ass feet, foot still big. I have some ugly ass Skechers. Sometimes I remember for really I miss them things that I call me look and think, cause yeah, look at you, I miss them things. And yeah, that I was like, what? Ew, yuck, that's nasty. I had dimples. What the frick? No, I didn't have dimples. Oh shit. Tell me, see, I can't see them there. Like, I did have 2 dimples, right? That's so. Where them they come from? I don't know. I not even think we still have them there, but whatever. That gone. And then I was like, it's more for them picture. It's like my mom took them, and I was pissed off. I don't remember what happened here. Like, look at my expression. Like, look at that. Hair still looks shitty. I had a lot of acne back in the day. Not that much now though. And like, yo, brother, yo, man, I forgive myself props for this dog. Yo, I look like I forget Top Man. That's a joke. I look like shit. With them big ass pants, like, yo, look on them freaking pants. Like, bro, 3 of my leg could have fit now 1 of them pants with the dog and them shoes. Enough respect to them clocks, yeah. I still have them, but I don't really wear them out because like them old, like this is from first family. I just start go school and like, not I don't look fresh, no. Jesus Christ. Oh God, I made shine on the first day of school, like spit shine. Like, look, the whole of my head front part now, no hair, none, no hair. I made fade the day, and I can't believe the people and tell me to me if I cut the fade out of my hair. How am I done? I end up look bald and yo. But same day, I like come back home and like dip on my laptop and thing, and like meds on this now. Like, me have on glasses, can me think me look smart, but yo, me the dunce ish. Just isn't. But lad, brother, like, my meds this time I say, yo, but it's skinny hair and like I'm still skinny, but I'm not skinny. But look at this ugly ass nigga. Yo, man, it just ugh. I mean, can't believe in the damn time of people actually look me. I'm a look on myself from me. I say, what them people did I sip on me? You see me? Back in them days, the people that actually rate them, but no, isn't it? Anyway, yeah. You see me? This time I try to take a bad man picture. You see me? And they never come out so good, but yo, me just look waste. You see me? Half of them old picture with me just look waste. Ugh. This now. Well, it kind of did start with some here, so like here it fade. They look kind of a bit better now. It was kind of going, but still, my face did just look a weird. I don't know. It's like the front of my face did just look flat, and then the front of my face did just look flat. I mean, wonder, yo, what going on, so? Back in the days when them digicel phone they used to snap, you see me? Like, yo, first day I go to school with the digicel phone, you know, brother. Everybody say, you can't buy your phone to take a picture. And I say, yo. Then time I start get hype off a phone, but not everybody have iPhone and nobody no business. You see, everybody have iPhone, how much and them things there, you see me, so. One of them business out them phone they are bangers now. I pay dope as phone them, you know, you see me? This now, I don't know what the hell happened so, but somebody I read, I don't even know what the book you be. I think I did something like on directory and like all the same I don't know what happened so. But don't know what happened so. Still have enough at me, pay the expert you can see it. Why me have one belt test and the belt put on the wrong side, I don't know. And why me just not full blue, I don't know, but ugh. Yeah. I don't know if I find the picture, but you see me? The Machiavelli. I don't know me I sleep, but sleep. I don't know me I dream, but like the vein in my head just annoy me right, you know. And I first me actually see the picture up close like that, if you notice this. Yeah, me and me long time iPhone, you see me? Long time me a bang iPhone. That sound wrong, but yeah. And this idea, you know, them time I used to go feel. I never used to have no friend. I never used to have no friend at all. You know, I still have the shoes, but I really made it that much. But yeah. And the thing is, I never used to have no friend. Half the time I go feel, I just stand at a cafe with my laptop, download game or movie and come back and I come watch, buy my food. You see me? But psh. And like, I need to fix my teeth, I swear I need to fix my teeth, yeah. But it don't look as bad now at them time I start bang S2, you see me? Yeah, man did I go on with things. And then I just start, you see me, start take picture more and thing. Start get a little bit more exposure. I say, yo, take picture, I don't care, cause first time if a camera see me in the duck, you know, all my man say, come here boy, let me take one picture. For that, I just run. I never used to like camera and them things because I always feel like I look bad and things, but I did look bad. But yeah, but still, yeah, they give me a try. So. And then, John was stars, I don't know what I go right. I said, but yo, I say, yo, I try smile, but me, you're lucky if you see me now a picture, I smile, isn't it? Because half the time I don't really like how I smile look. I try work on it still, but yeah. Right, you know, can't say all of the acne all I rub on my face, but thank God my face don't look like that again. Them time I got school has stressed me out. You see me? And I want bag of sweets something used to eat like chocolate and gummy beer and something. And no! I know this is a dramatic shift, but yo, in time they come to start the high school, I start kinda use me. Pants get blood clean tight, like oh shit. Pants get tight to free. I've on me cracks and things, you me. Mad steppings. You me? Mad steppings. Man face to look serious. They'd have a beard day time. Bad man talking. A joke man, I go you. yes I know it's just a big oof because when I got school anytime I still it kinda hard to keep up. Like some people look good when them out of school, but when as they start work at school they just look dry up. Come when me hear people tell me say, yo, why you can't look like that when you go to school? Me say, yo, school has stress. And thing like just makes this nigga like picture not even take good still, but whatever. And then I start find myself look a bit more and more. Start take more picture like them, you know, like a modeling type shit. Yeah, man. And then start continue, no look ice palm race, you see me? Chain what some I wanna can't buy, you see me? Face it still full of acne, but you see me? Hair well do, them things there, you see me? Then we discover Snapchat, and then from then I really say I live on Snapchat like some dopers, but still, yeah, it's still a go on. God bless me at church one day, and I just, you see me? But for that, I go back at church, yo. Honestly, about 1 year now, I go back at church. You see me? Long time I go at church, and then, yeah. Take this and I go at church, figure say this still look nice, and I just say, yo, start go, start doing my little thing, look cool, kinda, you know, them youth up on TikTok and musically, yeah, them type of stuff there. I was that type of dude back then I was going right there, so I decided to me I die me here one day, but I end up with this, and it did still kinda look good, but I never really die, it just kinda lighten, and from there and then I just start going with my little thing, you see me? I just start going with my thing. I mean, this not look that bad, but just start going with it. You see me? Go on. I like the picture still. They just start go on. Ratty bushman. You see me? I mean, I say like most people, you just have to wait for a certain time in your life. Like, I don't know. I just start accept myself more. I just start to changes and things. I don't know if it did already. Like if it was already there, and then I start accept myself, I start see it. But yeah, I just start see it, and just never stop. And that is the glow up, bro. Like everything about me, just start take picture more. It's just easier for me to take picture now. Like easier to pose for picture and them things here, easier to take selfie. Like the more I practice and thing, and just isn't I just look at that. Look at all that. Isn't and then we just start from there. I come from a long way. I know everything just look different now. But I know like different. I go back downgrade, like everything for me just start look different. Everything, isn't it? And that the practical I go like if you can move from this, right? Isn't it? You can move from that to this, you must be doing something right. So anyway, that is the glow up. Thank you for watching. Thank you all for watching. If you've watched this far, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And oh, one thing, alright, I'm gonna have something like a competition, and I'm gonna pick somebody random. Like if you can't get one of my picture, them like screenshot off the video and make like a funny meme off of it, like somebody get credit or something. So do that. Link me on Instagram. I'm gonna pick somebody. Peace.